Hello everyone, I'm Simeon Grace. Guess what? I got my dress from Dresslily.com. One thing that got me attracted to this dress is the uniqueness of the print. Aside from the fact that it's a monostrap dress with cape, and you know I love that. Let's talk about the fabric. It's suitable for both winter and summer season. And I got this dress right at my doorstep. I wasn't even expecting it as at the time it came. And trust me, it's so affordable. Though I got mine freely from Dresslily.com and I love it. When I say it is affordable, yes, it is. With $100, you're going to have a whole lot of shopping to do. All you need to do is just visit their website at www.dresslily.com. They have all types of dresses like office wears, party wears, long sleeve, short sleeve, mono straps, print, unique prints, and even plus sizes. Yes, they have your sizes, so you don't have to worry about that. Trust me. And to get yours, the link is on the description below. Thank you, Dresslily, for my dress. I so much love it.